Take out. Take out has two meanings that we are going to go over. Meaning number one, this meaning is used all the time for household chores and organization. When you take something out, you're moving it out of its current spot, usually to clean, throw away, or relocate something. Common everyday situations are take out the trash, take out the recycling, take out old boxes, take out the laundry, or take out papers or files. And it's one of the most common home-related phrasal verbs in American English. Some examples of these uses in action are, please take out the trash. She took out the recycling this morning. They took out all the boxes from the car. Can you take out the laundry when it's done? He took out the old papers and shredded them. Now, the second meaning of take out is to remove something from a container, bag, pocket, or place where it was stored. This means focusing on pulling something out from inside of another object. You might take something out of a pocket, a purse, a backpack, a drawer, a briefcase, or a suitcase. And this is extremely common in everyday American speech, especially at work, school, or while traveling. Some examples are, he took out his wallet to pay. She took out her notebook during the meeting. I took out my phone to take a picture. The teacher asked the students to take out their books. She took out her passport at the airport. Now repeat after me. Take out. Take out. Take out. In the past, it would be took out. Took out. Took out. Take out the trash. Take out your notebook.